Here we have a radical equation and we have to solve for x in this radical equation. That is, we have to find the value of x. Okay, let me write the given radical equation as it is. That is square root of 5 positive cube root of x equals to 3. Okay, so my first work is to get rid of the square root over here on the left side because we have the square root for the complete stuff here. So to get rid of the square root, what I need to do is I have to square both sides of the equation. When I square both sides of the equation, the square root and square will cancel out. I'm getting 5 positive cube root of x equals to, so when I take exponent 2 for 3, that is 3 square. So 3 times 3 will become 9. Okay, now let's get rid of this positive 5 over here. For that, I subtract 5 from both sides. When I subtract 5 from both sides, this positive and negative 5 will cancel out. Cube root of x equals to, when I subtract 5 from 9, I'm getting 4. Okay, so my aim is to get the value of x, so I have to get rid of this cube root. To get rid of this cube root, what I need to do is I have to raise both sides to the power of 3. So here, the first step to get rid of the square root, I square both sides. Here, to get rid of the cube root over here, I have to raise both sides to the power of 3. So when I raise both sides to the power of 3, this cube root and this cube will cancel out. I'm just getting x on the left side. And 4 cube. So what's the value of 4 cube? So 4 cube equals to 4 times 4 times 4. So we know that 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4. 16 times 4 is equal to 64. So therefore the value of 4 cube is 64. X equals to 64.